Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Yesterday I heard a funny story the other day that I think you'll enjoy. Did you hear about the cow that thanked the farmer on a cold winter morning? It said, "Thanks for the warm hand." Now, isn't that something? Sometimes it's the small, everyday moments that can bring a smile to our faces and remind us of the warmth we find in simple things. Here we are, all gathered up, ready to explore a powerful idea. Never underestimate yourself. Think about it. How many times have you doubted your own abilities, your potential, your worth? We all have those moments of self-doubt. Maybe you didn't get that promotion you were hoping for. Or perhaps someone else got the credit for your hard work. It's easy to feel like you're not enough. But let me tell you a secret. Those feelings are not a true measure of your potential. I remember a time when I felt exactly the same way. Picture a young farm boy from Idaho who knew how to milk cows but didn't have much else going for him. That was me. I never imagined I could stand on a stage speaking to people around the world, sharing ideas that could change lives. But here I am, and it all started with a shift in how I saw myself. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve so much while others struggle to make progress? Is it because they're more talented or luckier? Not at all. Because they never underestimated themselves. They believed in their worth, their capabilities, and their dreams. So what about you? What dreams have you tucked away because you thought you weren't capable? What goals have you set aside because you felt you didn't have what it takes? It's time to bring those dreams back to the forefront. Because let me tell you, you have everything you need within you to achieve great things. You just need to start believing it. Think about the times when you succeeded, even in small ways. Maybe it was a project at work that went well, a personal goal you achieved, or a moment when you helped someone and made a difference in their life. Those moments are proof that you are capable. They are glimpses of your potential. But believing in yourself doesn't mean you won't face challenges. You will, we all do. But it's how you respond to those challenges that makes the difference. Do you see them as insurmountable walls or as opportunities to learn and grow? Your attitude towards these obstacles will shape your journey. Let's talk about something fundamental to our success. Self-worth, understanding your self-worth and believing in yourself are crucial components of a fulfilling life. Yet it's something many of us struggle with. We often let self-doubt and insecurity dictate our actions and decisions, holding us back from achieving our true potential. Recognizing your potential is the first step towards realizing it. Think about it. If you don't believe in yourself, why would anyone else? When you start to understand your true worth, you begin to set higher goals, take bolder actions, and expect more from life. It's a shift in mindset that changes everything. Have you ever felt like you weren't enough? And if so, why? What stories are you telling yourself that are holding you back? It's time to challenge those stories. Replace them with ones that empower you. Here's a simple exercise you can do. Take a piece of paper and write down your strengths. List all the things you are good at, no matter how small they may seem. Now look at that list and remind yourself of these strengths every day. This small practice can start to shift your perception of yourself and build your self-worth. Another powerful tool is to surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out people who believe in you, who encourage you, and who lift you up. Their belief in you can help reinforce your belief in yourself. And be that person for others. Sometimes helping others see their worth can help you see your own. The way you see yourself sets the tone for how others see you. If you walk into a room with confidence, people will respond to that. They will see you as confident and capable. But if you walk in doubting yourself, that doubt will reflect in how others perceive you. Consider something incredibly powerful, our personal philosophy. This might sound like a grand term, but it's simply about the way we think, our mindset and our approach to life. Your personal philosophy shapes your success more than any other single factor. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built. Think of it this way. Imagine you're sailing a boat. The wind blows the same for everyone, but it's the set of the sail that determines where you go. Your philosophy is like the set of your sail. It guides your direction and determines whether you reach your destination or get lost at sea. So, how can you develop a positive philosophy? It starts with what you feed your mind. Just like your body needs nutritious food to thrive, your mind needs positive, empowering thoughts read good books, listen to motivational talks, and surround yourself with people who inspire you. Every day, make a conscious effort to feed your mind with positivity and wisdom. Now, how was the last book you read or the last seminar you attended? These are not just activities. They are investments in your philosophy. When you invest in learning, you invest in your future. You start to see the world differently, and new opportunities begin to appear. Pair a daily habit of reflection, and take a few minutes each day to think about what you've learned, what you're grateful for, and what you want to achieve. This simple practice can help solidify a positive philosophy and keep you focused on your goals. Let's dive into the topic of attitude and its impact on our lives. Your attitude is like the lens through which you see the world. A positive attitude can transform obstacles into opportunities and setbacks into setups for comebacks. It's not just about feeling good. It's about creating a mindset that propels you towards success. Now, how do you react to challenges? If you see them as insurmountable walls or as hurdles to be overcome, your reaction can significantly impact the outcome. If you approach a challenge with a positive attitude, you're more likely to find solutions and move forward. But if you react with negativity, it can paralyze you and prevent progress. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on what you're thankful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's right, and it can dramatically improve your outlook on life. When you start to appreciate the small things, you build a reservoir of positivity that you can draw from during tough times. Surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who uplift and encourage you. Their positivity will rub off on you. Avoid those who drain your energy and bring negativity into your life. Remember, you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Reframe your challenges. Instead of seeing them as problems, view them as opportunities to grow and learn. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this situation? How can this make me better? This shift in perspective can turn a daunting obstacle into a valuable lesson. Lastly, be kind to yourself. Don't beat yourself up over mistakes. Everyone makes them. Use them as learning experiences rather than reasons to criticize yourself. Practice self-compassion and remind yourself that you're doing the best you can. How do you react to challenges? Your answer to this question can shape your life. A positive attitude doesn't mean you ignore difficulties. It means you face them with the belief that you can overcome them. It's about resilience, determination, and optimism. Your attitude is a choice. Every day, you have the opportunity to choose how you respond to life's events. Choose positivity. Choose to see the good in every situation. Choose to believe in your ability to overcome challenges. When you do, you'll find that life becomes not only more manageable, but also more fulfilling and rewarding. Remember, positive attitudes is a powerful tool. It can transform your life in ways you never thought possible. It can open doors, build relationships, and create opportunities. So embrace the power of a positive attitude and watch how it changes your life for the better. Let's explore the vital role of persistence in achieving our goals. Persistence is the backbone of success. It's what keeps us moving forward when the going gets tough. Without it, even the best laid plans can fall apart. Persistence is about showing up day after day, putting in the work, and staying committed to our vision no matter the obstacles. How do we cultivate and maintain persistence? Here are some practical tips that can help. Set clear and compelling goals. When you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, it's easier to stay motivated. Write down your goals and keep them somewhere you can see them every day. This constant reminder will help you stay focused and committed. Break your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Sometimes big goals can feel overwhelming. By breaking them down into smaller steps, you make the process more manageable and can celebrate small wins along the way. Each small victory fuels your persistence and keeps you moving forward. Let's develop a routine and stick to it. Consistency is key to persistence. Create a daily schedule that includes time for working on your goals. This routine will help you build momentum and make progress, even on days when you don't feel like it. Stay flexible and adapt to challenges. Persistence doesn't mean being rigid. Sometimes you need to adjust your approach. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to change your strategy. The key is to keep moving forward, even if the path looks different than you originally envisioned. Find your why. Understanding why you're pursuing your goals can provide powerful motivation. Reflect on what achieving your goals means to you. Is it financial freedom, personal growth, or providing a better life for your family? Your why is your anchor during tough times. It breaks into support and inspiration. Surround yourself with positive influences, people who believe in you and your goals. Their encouragement can provide the extra push you need when you're feeling down. Also, read books, watch videos, and listen to talks that inspire you. Sometimes hearing about others' persistence can reignite your own. Lastly, practice self-care. Persistence requires energy, both mental and physical. Take care of yourself by getting enough sleep, eating well, and taking breaks when needed. When you're well rested and healthy, you're better equipped to tackle challenges and stay persistent. Let's discuss something crucial for our personal and professional growth. Leveraging our strengths and working on our weaknesses. Each of us has unique talents and areas where we excel. Recognizing these strengths and using them effectively can propel us towards our goals. At the same time, we all have weaknesses, but these shouldn't hold us back. Instead, they can be opportunities for growth and improvement. I remember when I first started in the world of business and personal development, I was great at connecting with people and had a knack for storytelling. These were my strengths, and they played a significant role in my success. However, I had a significant weakness. I was not a confident public speaker. The idea of standing in front of an audience terrified me. I knew that to reach my full potential, I needed to overcome this fear. I decided to face this weakness head on. I started by practicing my speeches in front of a mirror, then moved on to speaking in small, informal settings. Gradually, as I gained confidence, I began speaking to larger groups. Over time, what was once a debilitating weakness became one of my greatest strengths. Today, public speaking is not just something I do. It's a passion and a key part of my career. So how do we recognize and leverage our personal strengths? Start by reflecting on your experiences and achievements. What activities make you lose track of time because you enjoy them so much? What do people often compliment you on? These are clues to your strengths. Write them down and think about how you can use them more in your daily life and work. For example, if you're great at organizing, leverage this strength to improve efficiency in your workplace. If you're a natural leader, use your skills to inspire and guide your team. The key is to identify what you're good at and find ways to incorporate these strengths into your goals and activities. Now let's talk about weaknesses. We all have them, and that's okay. The important thing is to accept them and work on them. Start by acknowledging your weaknesses without judgment. This is the first step towards improvement. Ask yourself, what skills or behaviors are holding me back? Once you've identified them, create a plan to address these areas. A great way to work on weaknesses is to seek feedback from others. Sometimes we are blind to our own shortcomings. Ask trusted colleagues, friends, or mentors for honest feedback. They can provide valuable insights that you might not see yourself. Then take that feedback and use it constructively. For instance, if you struggle with time management, there are plenty of tools and techniques to help you improve. You can use planners, set reminders, or prioritize your tasks. If you find it hard to speak up in meetings, practice with a friend or mentor. The more you work on your weaknesses, the less they will hinder your progress. What strengths can you leverage today? Take a moment to reflect. What are you naturally good at? How can you use these strengths to advance your goals and improve your life? By focusing on your strengths and using them strategically, you can achieve remarkable results. Don't be afraid to tackle your weaknesses. See them as opportunities to grow and develop new skills. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about continuous improvement. So start today. Identify your strengths and think about how you can leverage them more effectively. Accept your weaknesses and create a plan to work on them. By doing so, you'll become more balanced, capable, and resilient. I encourage you to embrace both your strengths and weaknesses. Use your strengths to shine and your weaknesses as stepping stones to growth. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the end of our time together, let's take a moment to reflect on the key points. We've talked about the importance of understanding your self-worth. Remember, We also explored the power of your personal philosophy. The way you think shapes your reality. By developing a positive and empowering philosophy, you can transform your life. It's about setting your sail correctly to navigate through life's challenges and opportunities. Your attitude is the lens through which you see the world. A positive attitude can turn obstacles into opportunities and setbacks into setups for comebacks. It's not just about feeling good. It's about creating a mindset that propels you forward. Taking action is crucial. All the positive thinking in the world won't get you anywhere without action. It's the bridge between your dreams and reality. Every small step counts and leads you closer to your goals. Persistence is the backbone of achieving goals. When you face setbacks, it's persistence that keeps you moving forward. Clear, specific, and challenging goals provide a roadmap to success. Break them down into manageable steps and stay committed to them. Dream big and act consistently. Recognizing and leveraging your strengths, while working on your weaknesses, creates a balanced and resilient approach to personal growth. Each of us has unique talents. Use them to your advantage, and don't shy away from improving areas where you are less strong. Let me leave you with a thought-provoking question. What can you do today to start believing in your potential? What small step can you take right now that will move you closer to your goals? The answers to these questions lie within you, and taking action on them will unlock doors you never knew existed. In the words of one of my favorite quotes, success is not to be pursued. It is to be attracted by the person you become. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself, and success will follow. Just remember, you are capable of achieving great things. Believe in your worth. Set your sail, take action, and persist through challenges. Leverage your strengths, work on your weaknesses, and build a strong support system. The journey to success is not a straight path, but with determination and belief in yourself, you can reach your destination.